Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create separate profiles in Firefox. So is your Firefox browser a total mess? And if you want to keep work, school or personal stuff separate in Firefox, let me show you how you can create separate Firefox profiles the easy way. So Firefox profile are like having multiple browsers in one. You get different bookmarks, extensions, history, logins, all in their own space. So it's perfect for multitaskers, students, gamers, or content creators. So to open you need to open the profile manager first, and to open that, you can just press on Window plus R on your keyboard, and then here go to this or type this one firefox.access strip slash p, and you can just click on OK, and the Firefox or the profile manager will be opened. Now what you need to do is just click on this create profile options and click on next. Now you can just enter a new profile name. I'm going to just go with example, and you can now just click on finish. As you guys can see here, I have 4 profiles on my Firefox, and if you want to open the new one, you need to go to this profile manager first and then choose the profile that you want to open and click on start Firefox. And after that, a new Firefox window will be open, so it has 2 different profiles now. So that's all from me. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.